Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. You guys, this video is going to be all about the new Rephr LC collection. And guys, we got questions. We want to know, did they need these? Are they worth it? And who are they for? And of course, you guys are going to get a demo. And we're going to put these babies to work. So I know you want to see that. And I know you want to hear all of those questions being answered. So what do you need to do? Say it with me. Keep on watching. All right, y'all, run, grab your chairs, have a seat at the Grown Women's Table, and let's get into this video. You guys, first of all, I want to say thank you to Rephr for sending these brushes over to me. I truly appreciate it. Now, these brushes are the final result of, I think it's like 10,000 plus people giving their input on these brushes, and as well as we got a highly requested brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the brushes, tell you what they're, what they could be used for, but then I'm also show you what I decided to use these brushes for. Now these brushes are called the LC, and the LC stands for liquid and cream, and these are synthetic bristles. Now these bristles are very soft. I will say they are very soft. They wanted to mimic natural hair bristles, so they wanted to use some fibers that are really soft. So we're going to talk about that and how it feels on the face. But let's get into this. I guess I need to tell y'all how much they cost. So, Rephr has a concept store. The concept store is when you purchase things with a discount, and all you have to do is give them feedback and let them know what you like about the brushes and what you don't like about the brushes, what changes you would want to make. As long as you give your feedback, you're able to get a very good discount. So these three brushes will be normally $80, but if you get it from the concept store, you can get these brushes for $50, y'all. Not bad. But now let me go into the details of each one. All right, so we have the LC01. And all these brushes are angled. They're all angled brushes, as you can see. And they do have a nice density to them, but then also they're fluffy enough to where, and I'm gonna say this about all of them, the density of these are good for being able to build and pack in your color or whatever product you use, but then they're nice and fluffy also. See that fluffiness? So it's able to blend out beautifully. So this particular brush, you can use this for concealer. And I know these, and I'm gonna say this, I know these are cream, liquid and cream brushes, but y'all, I use them for powder too, and I'm gonna show you. But concealer, this could be used for color correcting. This could be used for applying your primer on your lids. This also could be used for like a one and done eyeshadow look. So these brushes are very versatile. Now we have the LC02, and it's basically the same brush but is a little bigger. And this one is a complexion brush. So I feel like this brush will be great for applying foundation, bronzer, blush, highlighter, setting your under eye with powder. I'm gonna show you how to utilize this one brush for like all these different things. Now our 03 brush, you guys, is the foundation brush. And look at, nice and dense. And I'm gonna show you how this works. One of the things they say about this brush is that you're able to apply your foundation without having all those streaks. So we're gonna put this to the test. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna do like a voiceover, and I'm gonna walk you through how I created this look, you guys. This look came from these three brushes right here. And we're gonna go in, let you see the demos, and then when we come back, you guys, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts, and then we're gonna be done. All right, y'all, we're gonna use the 01, and I'm just blending out my color corrector, and you see it works perfectly under the eye. And this is a great detail brush as well. I think this will be a really good detail brush. Now we're going to take the 03. You guys, I love this foundation brush. You guys know I had the second prototype. and you know how much I love it. And as you can see, you're picking up a nice amount of product. I'm able to put it on, blend it out. It's not streaky. It's very smooth, effortlessly. And then I also like that it's big enough to cover the face, but then also the way it's angled, I can get into, like, you know, the parts of my nose and different areas. Let's get this concealer, cover up these dark circles, y'all. And I love that concealer. And we're going to use the 01 again. Perfectly fits under the eye, and look at it blend out that concealer, y'all. See how pretty it is? And it's nice and soft, and I don't feel like, oh my god, my eyes feel prickly. And I'm using it to cover up the dark circles on my lid as well. And I know these are cream brushes, but I'm going to use them with powder. And look at this, y'all. Look at how it's setting that under eye and my top lid. I wanted to use the 02 brush because I wanted to see, okay, let me use that for powder as well. And you know how when you're in a rush, you want something quick and easy? I feel like that's the perfect size. Now we're going to go in with the 02, y'all, and use it for this cream bronzer. Look how it picks up the product. And I love that angle where it's able to be very precise as to where I'm applying it. And you see how I'm able to just kind of like pull that product and smooth it out as I go. And I'm going to flip it over, and now I'm just going to blend it out. That's cute. She cute, I know. I love this brush. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And y'all, the brush just does what it needs to do. And you see how it's blending it out? Look at that. Now, I know, again, we're using these brushes for powders. And I'm going to use the tip of that brush and use my bronzer. And watch this. It's just going to blend that bronzer into the skin. So pretty. Look at that. See that? And I'm just using the tip of the brush. And I'm able to blend out my bronzer. Now we're going to go in with a little blushly blush. And we're going to do the 02. Perfect brush. Now, Vanessa, y'all know it's very pigmented. But you see, look at that. Now watch me go in, and I'm going to be able to build up that color. And see how it's just applying the product? That's the perfect shape and the perfect size for blush to me. And now I'm going to use the 02, but now I'm going to use just the tip of that brush for the highlighter. Now, look, precision. I'm putting it exactly where I want it. I'm able to build up the product. And you see it's blending it out. And I'm just dragging it up some more. And I'm going to add some more because I know y'all want some more. And we're going to build it up to the intensity that we want. And look. Turn it around, and now you can just blend it out. You can do so much with these brushes. And we're going to take it down the nose because, we extra. We take it on down the nose. Now we're going to use the 01 as a one and done. We're going to use the tip, and we're going to apply some liquid eyeshadow. And I like the fact that I can use the tip. That way I can really be precise as to where I'm applying it. And then you can kind of turn it onto the side and kind of blend it out as you go. You see what I'm doing? And now I'm just building up that color. And you see it's not getting all over the place. It really is a perfect size. And if you have bigger eyes, you could use it for a one and done. Now I'm going to go in, put a little concealer to clean up. And we're going to use the 01. And I'm just going to do what I normally do. Just clean up that eyeshadow, look with some concealer. This brush has that nice little angle, so I'm able to clean it up. And then I'm going to go get some powder, use the same brush, and clean it up. Yeah, gorgeous. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that demo, and I hope it was helpful. Now, let's get into my final thoughts. Did Rephr need to create these brushes? I'm going to say yes, because I feel like they have beautiful natural hair bristles. And I am the type of girl that I believe that in everyone's makeup collection, you need to have a little natural, but you also need synthetics. And one thing I love about a synthetic brush is that, first of all, you can clean them more often, and you can pop it on, pop on your products, whatever it is, and apply it, wipe it off, and just keep on moving. And I think, especially when it comes to like foundations and concealers and bronzers, those products get into your brushes, and when they're in a natural hair brush, especially when they're like the bristles are white, most of my products are dark. So natural hair bristles, you only washing them like once a month, and who wants to be having dirty brushes? That's why I have so many. But with the synthetic brush, you can definitely always just keep them clean. And another reason why I felt like it was needed in their collection is because everybody don't like natural hair bristles. People have their different reasons as to why they don't want to use a natural hair bristle, and to be able to have a dynamic, little set like this, definitely well needed. Now, my next question was, were these worth it? You guys saw the demo. I was able to take these 3 brushes and create basically this entire look using the creams, the liquids, as well as powders with 3 brushes. And these brushes are not cheaply made. Like the ferrules are gorgeous, that matte black, and look at the handle. They're not cheap at all. These are good quality, and I'm gonna say this about the bristles on these. Now, I can feel like if I'm just doing this, I don't feel it. But the more I do it, there is a little bit of prickly, a little prickliness, but it's a synthetic brush. It's not a natural hair bristle, but I've had some synthetic brushes that, honey, my face be feeling terrible after I use it. These are not that. So yes, I feel like they are worth it. Now, who are these brushes for? I feel like these brushes are for everybody. If you have a makeup collection, if you wear makeup on your face, these brushes are for you. At $50 for 3 brushes, you can't beat the price. And the quality, like I said earlier, and they're so functional. You saw in the demo where how I was able to utilize just these 3 brushes and get everything except for my lippy. I could have did my lower lash line if I decided to put some product on the lower lash line, but I didn't decide to do that. And what else I did? I did my brows and my mascara. Everything else was created with these brushes. So I do feel like these are for anybody. And if you're someone who don't want natural hair bristles, there you go. Someone that has natural hair bristles, but you also want synthetic brushes, there you go. So it's for everyone. All right, y'all, that's it. In the description box, there will be affiliate links. So if you decide to pick up these brushes, I truly appreciate. I will receive a small commission. So thank you in advance. And you guys, let me know in the comment section, was this video helpful? And also, do you like to have like a mixture of brushes in your collection? Or are you someone who strictly just wants synthetic, or someone that strictly just wants natural hair bristles? Let me know in the comment section where you fall at. Of course, you guys know me. I like to have a little bit of both. But that is it. So don't forget to thumbs up this video. Your girl is on the road to grow. So if you know someone that would like my content, please share my content with them and tell them to subscribe. And that is it. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.